Well, teachers, one of the most important parts of any classroom is proper, timely feedback. When I was in high school, I had an English teacher that every week would take our journals home and leave written comments on almost every single page. Kind of attributed why I'm an English teacher. Canvas recognizes that feedback is one of the most important things that we can give to a student. So they've given a lot of systems that allow us to give that feedback to students. These systems include written feedback, speech dictation, video, audio, and even rubric feedback. Let's go check out how to do feedback in Canvas.
All right, teachers. So the first thing that we want to look at is our home page on Canvas. It offers a lot of opportunities for us to show exactly what our students are looking at and how to kind of work through some of the ideas of feedback. On the right-hand side of the page, you're going to find your to-do list. Now, just like your students, you'll be able to see what things you need to do in your class, including in grading and scoring. Your students, however, will see the to-do list coming up, and then down below it, a feedback section, where you can see the feedback that the teacher has given to them. A lot of that feedback is given through the Speedgrader. Now, on Speedgrader, we have tons of options for audio, video, written feedback, all sorts of things, all the traditional things. Now, up here on the top, here is our feedback, or here's a document that our students have turned in, and we have our tools at the top. Now, these tools are to write and edit on our document with our students and share exactly what we're going to be doing. The first is a traditional clicker that allows us to go through the essay. The second allows us to drop a quick message and a comment. The third is a highlighter, so we can bring up specific things with our students. Fourth is a text box. I can leave a little message on top of my student's essay or document. Then I can strike through material for my students, things that I'm not particularly enjoying. And then finally I can draw my tool. The last one though is a box, so I can draw around stuff that I really enjoy or that I think the student needs help on and leave a little message for them. On the other side of the page we find our general feedback section of the Speedgrader. First is our assessment tool with our rubric. Down below we have our tools for leaving comments. The first is an attach a file, things like rubrics, that sort of stuff. Then we have our audio video comments. Now our audio video comments, we have our webcam right here. If we turn that off, we can go ahead and have no video and just audio for our students. Quick way to leave feedback. We also have our speech to text dictation tool that will grab exactly what we're saying and type it up for us and put it on the document. This is a great set of tools for us to give feedback to our students in interesting and engaging ways, and it doesn't take much more time, if at all, than doing any sort of written feedback or long form comments. Plus it allows us to show our tone and inflection with our students, which is very important for face-to-face, online, or hybrid classes. However, in the gradebook we do have more options. Under any assignment, if we find the 3 dots next to the assignment title, then we can click on those and find the tool Message Students Who. Message Students Who allows us as teachers to message specific students for specific criteria on the assignment, including students who haven't submitted, which would be students who just haven't turned in the assignment, that sort of thing. Students who scored less than, or students who scored more than. Now in any of those, we can see exactly what our students are doing and help them with specific scores. Now on the flip side, students who are doing well in your course, you can email and specifically give them praise and say, you did a wonderful job on this assignment, you should be very proud of the work you did. And rather than trying to email every single student, you're emailing all of them at once, getting the material to them quickly. Thanks so much for your time. Enjoy using feedback.